Okay, so we are continuing with our HTMX, and today we are doing chapter 5. With Sharon, she will be my navigator, and I'll be the driver. So we are creating a form inline validation. So we're just gonna go through uh, through the code and see what we had on the HTML. So um, like the previous chapters that we did, nothing is changing on the head. We still have the same script tag, still have the same link, and we only change on the body where the div class is still the same as the is as container. And here we just have our heading form inline validation, and then we have the form with the class div on the hx target and the hx swap which is equal to the outer html and our class label is email address, and our input is email, and we have the input of the name also, and we are fetching the email here, and we have a label for where we put password. I believe this is where we're gonna put password. It's gonna trigger our password, and we have the submit button. There it is. And if we can check our script tag or JS, um, I think it's gonna start here where we have app.post email.
Mm,
Actually, no, we're starting
yes,
here
yes.
where we have
Now
cost.
could you delete from line, go up again? Yeah, delete from line 12 all the way down, because that's the code for chapter 4.
Like this.
Yeah, go down. Stop. Um, yeah, yeah, the 139. Yeah, and then this is your new code.
Okay, we have app.post email. We have call submitted email, the email that we're gonna enter, and we have the email rejects, which is the this shows us the format of the email, how the email should be, and there is if the email we are using the if statement, if the email um, if the email that we enter is correct, no, it's not correct, it
It's
must,
correct.
if it's correct, it must return us the message that valid email, or else if the email that we entered is not correct, it will tell us the email is invalid. We need to enter the email address again. And if we can just run to see, let me just delete this. Integrated terminal, npm run div, and so we gonna go to our um, say local 300, and see, there we have our email, and the moment that we enter our email, before we even enter our password and submit, it already tells us the email is correct. But if the email was not correct, let's say we had just said uh, and say this, maybe the spelling is wrong of Gmail, if we can submit, Actually, okay, let's do this. Okay, actually, the format, not the spelling. Gmail.com. Believe it's supposed to give us that the email is invalid here. There we go. So that was it on chapter 5. We were testing the email validation more than the password. I don't know if there's any question
Try putting a password like a random password. Just type in anything on the password.
with the correct email.
Yeah. And then
Okay,
you're gonna
let's say email and the password. Let me just put
submit. I thought it was gonna do what mine did. Like it's going to pop up your actual email address and your actual password. But it's fine. But everything else was perfect
wow.
though.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's when you just editing. I don't know when you playing around with the whole thing.
Yeah, that's true. Anyways, that was perfect. I understood everything.
Thank you.